Hello everyone, we are replacing a fuel filter on John Deere backhoe 310 1978. It's a 310A. Okay, we have a 1/2 inch wrench on it and we'll unscrew the bolt. We have a pan under so all the fuel goes in there. I don't like spilling it. However, let me get it undone. Okay, almost undone. It actually more looks like a little bit of water. That's weird. Maybe not so weird. I'm gonna try to take it off. Alright, I did unscrew the bolt out of here. Now I'm gonna see here. Okay, there you go. Okay, so all this here, actually at first water was going down. This is how fast it's dripping. I'm not actually sure if it's supposed to be like that. Might be clogged up or something, or maybe how it has to be. I'm not too sure, but I'm gonna check. Oh, in the meantime, I'm gonna take all the dirt out of there. I know it's not supposed to be like that. That glass has to be clear, clean, free of debris. And I already got two brand new fuel filters, and the seal here under has to be replaced. I already got that too. It comes in your kit, which I got from John Deere place. So yeah, carefully remove it out with a tool looking like this or something like this. Try not to scratch nothing out of there, and you'll be okay as long as you're not changing anything with scratches. Alright guys, I thought I'm not gonna concentrate on this, but I'll tell you what, not sure what this is, rust, mud, or what, but there's a lot of this dirt in here. Thanks to John Deere making such a good filter, that isn't gonna ruin the rest of your system. But I didn't have any fuel starvation or anything like that. I just watched a couple videos on other tractors, and I'm like, well, maybe it's time for me to replace it, since I replaced an air filter and hydraulic filters. So yeah, I think you'll see that it is a really good idea to pay attention to all of your parts. And I'm actually not even too worried about this thing dripping right now into the pan, because it's so slow, and I just want to see if it's going to go any faster. It unclogs the problem, but I'm pretty sure I'll have to clean the tank or something. Alright, this is how it looks clean, and there's a pin that goes inside the filter holding all the system up. I think there is a rubber piece right here. I haven't figured it out, and I'm gonna check it and see if it's rubber or what. Clean it all up. I think I had a piece of leaf or something in this hole right here, so I cleaned that. I'm just gonna go use my compressor and blow all the holes up and get all the debris out of there, and take a new filter and put it all back together. Alright, I was taking the little seal off and it snapped. It is so dry. It snapped. It's okay. So I was taking it out of here, and I figured that this is the fuel pump. This is why it's going so slow, but there is a thing that you pull towards you, and here's what happens. Oh, you pulled it towards you and then released it back. There you go. So we have a good flow here. Here's the new washer, and I'll place it on here. There it goes, all nice, and it's not twisted. All right. Alright guys, this is the seal that comes off this pin right here, and there is also a little screw that goes under, there it is, it goes under this plastic pin. So yeah, there's a seal on it, so I'm just gonna replace all the seals. They cost almost nothing and they save you a whole lot of time. Alright, so it looks like I need this seal here on that little screw, and this seal here that goes onto this pin that goes inside the filter. I don't have them. Luckily I have my John Deere store near me, so I'll go there, pick them up. I'll be right back. I'll grab the parts with me just in case. I'll measure them up and put them on right there, and they all should be good to go. Let's go to the store. Hello John Deere, I'm back again. Thanks for working till 5 today. I just came back from the store, picked up this brand new seal for here and here. So we all have everything new. Now, I'm gonna lube this up with some synthetic grease. Okay. Lubing this up the thread because I cleaned it and it won't go in easily. So now it goes in easily, and that's your bleeding valve, I think. Okay. Now some grease in this washer. I mean oil. Some on here. Okay. Some on here. The smaller O-ring goes on this glass cup, then your filter, then your other ring, and this here goes all the way through. And then you put it on, screw it back on, and then all should work. So okay. Alright, so now it's all on. We'll tie it up. I tie it up with a channel lux. I'll just tie it up a little. I'm not gonna squeeze life out of it. Okay. Now I'm gonna open up a bleeding valve. No, not this one. The top one. I'm pretty sure it will be a 1/2 inch. Okay. Okay. Now we're gonna pump this fuel. There it is. See how it's going in there? Actually, I see some kind of dirt in there, just a little bit, but anyways, we have filter. So okay, now is it gonna seal up or what? We don't want any air in our system for sure, but it should start, it has to start coming out of that bleeding valve. Oh, there it is. Ooh. Okay. Alright. Okay, looks like I don't have any more bubbles going out of there. Even hand tight's good enough. So, where did that right here? Alright guys, this is how you replace your oil filter. Nothing is leaking. After I'm going to remove this pan out of here and put it into a bottle, use it for a fire starter or something. I will clean everything here because I just want to get it clean. And yeah, works well, nothing's leaking, and the job's done. Thanks for watching. I'd like to hear your opinion about this video. Ask me questions. Everybody, good luck and have a great day. See you soon.